This is Alard, item Y5554. It is an URSCHEL TRANSLICER model 2500. It is a slicer, single or two-dimensional cutter, so it will slice, it will julienne. Yeah, if you would please. And it has a 25-inch diameter interchangeable stainless steel cutting wheel, which we'll show you in just a second. It's capable of cutting compressible food products up to 8 inches in any dimension. I should say in any diameter. You can do longer things. Has a V belt, feed belt. And it'll slice, it'll julienne, it will shred. Speaking of two-dimensional cuts, here is the cutting head. As you can see, it has both slicing blades and julienne blades for cutting in 2 dimensions. These blades are about 1 1/4 inch, and the other blades, the slice blades, I believe we are set up and timed for 3/4. So we will see how things come out when we get to cutting here. But suffice it to say that by changing that wheel and the blade configuration, you can cover the waterfront with a large number of different cuts. If you have any detailed questions or concerns along those lines, give us a call at Alard Equipment at 315-589-4511. You will note that this lovely machine also has a beautiful control box here with a safety interlock system. We'll open that up here in just a second so you can see how clean it is inside. And here is the inside of the electrical control box. You can see everything is clean and in excellent condition. Good order in there. We've been all through it. Everything works as intended. You can vary the speed of the belts and the head, which is all part of regulating the cutting size in combination with the cutting wheel I showed you a minute ago.
There's speed adjusters on the side.
Oh, and there's speed adjustments. Oh, over here. Aha. Cleverly hidden in plain view. So there are different, there are switches there to give you a number of different speed presets. It's also, as I mentioned, set up with a safety interlock system, so it will not operate if you open the cover. We have some nice heads of lettuce here. One of the nice things about this big slicer and its capacity is that you can put whole heads through the cutter without halving or quartering prior to slicing or, two-dimensional cutting.
I'm not even coring.
Yeah, we're not going to core at this point. You might want to, but you can also get the cores and things out with grading machines and that sort of thing. And again, if you have questions about what you need in your line, give us a call at 315-589-4511. So this has a 2-stage feed belt. It has a speed up configuration, so it comes in 1 speed. The second belt, it goes faster so that you get some separation between the product and you don't jam everything in there all at once. So we want to go ahead and fire this up. There we go. You hear it soft start, slows up, starts up slowly, it speeds up. Yeah. Sounds like a jet engine. All right. Well, let's go see what we got here. Wow, made pretty short work of that. Wow. Okay. There we go. And again, we just have nicely cut. Let me get a little of this. Nicely cut lettuce, nice, clean, uniform cuts, URSCHEL style. Not bad. So there it is, Alard, item Y5554. It is an URSCHEL TRANSLICER 2500, high capacity, large capacity, slicer, julienne cutter, shredder. As you can see, it is in excellent operational, mechanical, cosmetic, and electrical condition. In stock at Alard Equipment Company, available for immediate shipment from Williamson, New York.